Hello everyone, let's discuss some important questions for your CUET PG Political Science. First question on your screen. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? The right answer will be President. Next question. What is the name of the official residence of the President of India? Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of President. Next question. Who has the power to declare a state of emergency in India? Right answer will be President, because emergency powers are embedded with the President of India under Article 356. Kindly note down. Next question. What is the minimum age to vote in India? Right answer will be 18 years. Earlier the age was 21, now 18. Who is the head of the Election Commission of India? Right answer will be Chief Election Commissioner. Next question. What is the term for the Rajya Sabha? Right answer 6 years, and for the term for the Lok Sabha is 5 years. For the Rajya Sabha, the elections are conducted after 6 years, and in Lok Sabha, the elections are conducted after 5 years. Who is the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee, PAC? The right answer will be member from opposition. Next question. What is the name of the highest civilian award in India? Right answer will be Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. Similarly, next question on your screen. Who has the power to appoint judges to the Supreme Court of India? Right answer will be President. Next question. What is the total number of languages recognized by the Constitution of India? There are 22 languages that are recognized by the Constitution of India in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. Kindly note down, in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis. The next, the Panchashila agreement was signed between India and which other country? China. Kindly note down, China and India has agreement of Panchashila agreement. This agreement is known as Panchashila agreement. Very important question from the perspective of CUET PG examination. Next, which Islamic group came to power in Afghanistan in 1996? Taliban. Very important question. Taliban. Who is the author of A Theory of Justice? John Rawls. John Rawls is the author of A Theory of Justice, and Taliban came into Islamic group. The Asian Regional Forum ARF. ASEAN Regional Forum ARF implies that carries out coordination of security and foreign policy. Next, which of the following northeast state was formed in 1963? Right answer, Nagaland. Next, who is the architect of the second 5-year plan? P.C. Mahalanobis. P.C. Mahalanobis is the architect of the second 5-year plan. Next, the Indian Peacekeeping Force IPKF was sent to which country? Sri Lanka is the right answer, Sri Lanka. Kindly note down the full form of IPKF. Which country considers Taiwan to be a part of its territory? China. Who is the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Trygve Lie is the first Secretary General of the United Nations. Kindly note down or take the screenshots of these questions. These questions are very important from the perspective of CUET PG Political Science examinations. Next question. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? President. What is the name of the official residence of the President of India? Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is one of the important questions from Indian politics. Kindly take the screenshots of these questions. I have prepared these questions with very carefully, keeping in view your CUET PG Political Science examination. Next, which country considers Taiwan to be a part of its territory? China. Who is the first Secretary